panel and toolbar. So in this video, we're going to look at how to add or remove panels or toolbar. So in QGIS, which is Quantum GIS, it stands for Quantum Geographic Information System, QGIS. Panels and toolbars are key parts of the graphical user interface. They help you to interact with the geographic data and tools effectively or efficiently. All right, so basically that is what these two are all about. So what is panel? Panels, which are also called dockable widget, they are interface component that displays data, layers, or information about the current map project. The toolbar, on the other hand, contains buttons and icons for performing specific actions quickly, like zooming, selecting features, editing layers, or taking or making analysis. So in this, we're going to quickly look at the tools bar and the panels. So basically, I have deactivated everything, leaving my QGIS to the default level. So like in ArcGIS, if you right click on this ash side of them, you will see that two items will come up. We have the panels and the toolbars. Now, if you also go to view and you go down here, you will see panels and you will see toolbars. So basically, these are the two ways to which you can activate or deactivate a toolbar or a panels. Now, let's look at what direction will you see a panel. So let's activate one. If I activate this advanced digitizing, or let's activate browser panel, because that is one of the prominent ones. So if I click on this, you will see that it comes here. So this shows that this is mostly where panels are located. All right, so at this place you see panels located. So if I right click again, anything I want, let's say I'm interested in layer panels, you see the layer panels will also come out. So panels are basically located here mostly. So but to activate it, you either right click up here where you see my cursor is, you right click there, you see all the panels. Now same thing on the tools. If you're looking for any of the tool set or the toolbars, you see that they are all here. So we have advanced digitizing toolbar, we have the advanced digitizing panel, and we have the advanced digitizing toolbar. So if I click on this, look at where it will go. It's going to come up here. So it means that the toolbar are arranged up here while the panels are arranged here. So you can activate them by coming to view and you go to either panels and you activate the one of your choice, or you go to toolbars and you activate the one of your choice. So basically, this explains where you will find your toolbars and where you will find your tool set and how you activate it.